Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. This is your Maestra. I teach Conversational Cebuano. Okay, so today I am going to teach you how to say I'm confused in Bisaya. So I'm confused. In Bisaya, we say naglibog ko. Naglibog ko. Naglibog ko. Naglibog ko. I'm confused, okay? Repeat after me. Naglibog. Naglibog. Okay? Ko. It's very easy, guys. Ko. Naglibog ko. Naglibog ko. I'm confused. Okay, there you go. Very easy. You just did it. So, thank you so much for today, guys. Go to my site, cebuano101.com, and I'll see you next week for another short video lesson. Bye!